Well, hi everyone. Just wanted to review really quickly how to embed your lesson plans onto your PowerSchool page. This is something that's important because not only should they be embedded in PowerSchool, but also in your final portfolio, you'll have to actually embed all of your materials. There will be no links to things unless the activity is just not possible to embed it. So I'm going to quickly go over how to embed. And the first thing I want to do is I want to pull up my lesson plan. As you can see, I pulled up my lesson plan here. And then I'm going to create a new post. And I'll name it. Now there are several ways to embed. The one that I like best involves simply taking this source button here and pressing that. That way I get to the HTML code that I can include there. I'm going to pull up my lesson plan, and from this file menu, I'm going to say publish to the web. And then I have a link here, but I want the embed link. So I'm going to click on that, and I'll highlight all of that and copy it. And then once I have that, I can simply close that and paste that here. Paste as plain text. Now, the one thing about that, when I just paste it as it is, generally that's going to be pretty small, right? And obviously I would want it to be readable. So I'm going to go back and edit this. Okay. Edit this post. And I'm going to click here on this source again. And now I have to go with equals, in quotes, 720. And maybe I can do it here. Height. Let's just say equals 900. And you can play around with those numbers to see what works best for you. Now, hopefully, if the stars are aligned properly, I will have my lesson plan fully embedded onto the page. So I hope that helps. Please review the video as many times as you like to see how you can do this. Thank you.